In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and conduct customer satisfaction surveys in Hubspot. To do that, you first need to head over to your Hubspot homepage. And then from in there, you can click onto this Marketing and click onto this Forms. This will direct you to create a form directly onto the Hubspot itself. So in this case, click on this Create Form option. Choose right here which one you want to use. On this case, I'll head over and then just choose the Form Editor and click on Next. After that, you can choose from templates, but for this case, let's head over and then just choose which one as well. Alternatively, instead of a form, we can also create a survey. So click on this Create Survey option and let's choose right here this Customer Satisfaction. It can show you right here how it works, as well as this preview, and click on Next. And after that, you can proceed to edit the survey and create it right here. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more HubSpot guides, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.